Hello techies, this is a lab. We're going to configure remote lab. So the first thing that we want to do is to type in iCloud.com, and here we want to input mbrown at iCloud.com, and here we want to type in magb123, which is the password. You can also copy and paste to make this faster. All right, we are inside, so we're going to get into this area, then we'll go into Magic's iPad, which is the area we're going to be working on. We're going to erase this. We go ahead and move this. Okay, so we're going to input the password again, magb123, and enter a phone number. So you can enter any optional number here. It is optional, so you can input it or not. So I'm just going to improvise and put a number in there. It doesn't have to be any number, specific number or your own number. You can input any number there. Okay, so we'll go ahead and click next, and okay, so we can input any message here. So it's going to be Magic's iPad has been erased. Then we'll go ahead and click done. So we'll go ahead, we click OK, and let's call up and see how we do. And everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe. And if you're having any challenges with any of your tech courses, either due to work, you've been busy with work, or health challenges, or family issues, and you've not been able to attend to a lot of your assignments, labs and quizzes, discussions, and the rest, reach me through my WhatsApp number, and I will ensure you come out with an A at the end of the term. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.